planning for Leh for last 2 years, and this trip has come like a dream. I was the first one to book this trip with a long detailed discussion with Light Chasers in their Barsana trip.
So I think the most important, most interesting thing that captured my attention was the itinerary in terms of the various offbeat places which we visited. So things like being as close to the Pakistan border as possible, and then coming to Pangong, to the most remote latest village, the far-off village, which is as close to the China border as possible. So that's one thing which was very good.
I think the tour was fantastic. We didn't even know when the 2 weeks just got over. It was so good. In terms of the organization, I think not just from the start of the tour, but even before, the emails that you sent us with the instructions of what to do, what not to do, and the medicine that you're giving us helped us in the acclimatization process. I don't think anybody faced any major troubles in terms of health, so that was really good. Even in terms of stay arrangements and all, I think it was luxury class, so no complaints about that. It was fantastic.
We're on the last day of our Ladakh trip here in beautiful Pangong. It's wonderful out here. This 14 days trip has been I'll remember throughout my life. Met wonderful people, wonderful arrangements made by Jassi and Light Chasers, and hope that we come back once again.
The people, the travel arrangements, the accommodation, everything was fantastic.
We've known Jassi for quite some time now. I was one of the speakers at India Click Symposium, which was organized by Light Chasers in Delhi in Feb this year, and it's been quite some time since we had photographed Ladakh, and when we heard that Jassi's organizing a photo tour of Ladakh, we were really excited to tag along. And it's been a great journey so far. We've met so many like-minded people, and we've made some great friends. We had a really fun time, had a lot of laugh, and
and the arrangements have been outstanding. The camps, the tents organized in one of the most scenic locations ever possible, probably in the world, I would say. Pangong is out of this world.
I've been wanting to come to Ladakh since a very long time, and the landscape, the beauty of this place has always inspired me, but never really had an opportunity to do so. But what better opportunity could it have been than to come with fellow photographers, and with Light Chasers, and especially with Jassi. It has been a wonderful trip, and the itinerary and the extensive places that we visited, it's been fabulous, and I'm sure that I'm a better photographer now. I'll go back as a better photographer than I came here.
Firstly, I want to thank you, Jassi, for organizing this trip. I never had a chance to come to Ladakh. Finally, I came here with such a beautiful itinerary. I met so many people, made new friends and everything. Yes, obviously my experience as a photographer, my knowledge has increased, and it could not have been possible without your mentorship, Jassi's mentorship. So I just want to say thank you to everybody for making a memorable trip for me. That's all.
It has been a wonderful journey of 12 days. Learned many things, star trails, landscapes, portraits. It had been an amazing experience with Jassi.
The level of skills they had were very high, so I could learn a lot from them. And Jassi sir is always there for you. I could learn. I was weak for landscape photography, so the major faults which I was taking, he could correct that. And I think everybody should take this tour. Actually, if they are interested in photography, this is a must tour for them.
So I think the first time when I came across this photo tour on the Canon website, organized by Light Chasers, the first thing that really caught my attention was the itinerary itself.
The places that we saw were very nice, like especially Tuk Tuk village and the portraits that we got to click over there.
What caught our attention before we came here was the itinerary. So visiting Tuk Tuk, visiting Dahanu was something that I don't think we would have been able to do if we'd come with any other group. So that was fantastic. Even in terms of the kind of photos you got to click, so portraits, landscapes, even various monasteries that we got to tried out. So that was very good. And for somebody like me who's just starting out with photography with the basic equipment, got to learn quite a few things which I hope and I intend to go back and try out, practice as much as I can, and before the next tour that I come back with you on, I hope that I would have perfected these things and started learning some more in the advanced stages.
It's a beautiful trip, amazing trip, and I must say that I have lived each and every moment of this trip. Plus a lot of learning from Jassi with his experience. I take back a lot of things which I have not learned as a photographer.